I love this wig. I'm into this. Is it me? Is it me? I am so excited about this wig. Yes, she is already up on my head. Okay, I'm giving y'all natural realness, HD 4K realness, okay, with this Mammy Tappan wig. This thing is so beautiful. But let me tell y'all where it came from first. I'm all talking. Let me get into it. We here with another one from our friends over at Nadula Hair. Okay, so we're back with another one from Nadula Hair. Love Nadula Hair. I put this on and I was like a little bit nervous because recently I feel like I've been getting wigs where the lace been but I put this on. Okay, let me put her down. I put mother on. Look at this lace. Can y'all see that? I almost don't feel like I even gotta glue her down. I'm only going to because that's a bad bitch right there. A bad bitch. So I want to give her the respect she deserves. So I'm coming on through. Let me give you the details with a Nadula 1B27 body wave lace front wig. Okay, oh, I guess I gotta take her off. She is a 13x4 lace front wig. She has lace on the bottom as well, in case you want to throw her up. She has 2 combs on the side, another comb in the back. This band, which we love because we want to make sure wigs are secure, okay, and adjustable straps, Wakanda forever. Okay, take a look at this. So she has like the 27, and I love this. Like, I love this. The way the lace looks is phenomenal. We have her, I believe, in 24 inches. Okay, so we have her in 24 inches. She's going for about $330, okay? I heard you gasp in the back, y'all. I heard you gasp in the back, but they are doing 4 equal payments through Klarna, Afterpay, all the pays, okay, to make sure you get a quality unit. Now, well, hello there, my loves. Let's dig on in to this Nadula Hair unit. So I'm going through with my Ibn wig bond, okay, and I'm just using a makeup brush to put it on. It just is easier for me. I didn't really want the mess, so that's why I'm using this. I'm just going on through because I really want to make sure this unit is secure. Now, again, this is a 1B27 body wave highlight wig, okay, and it's only face framing highlights, which I am absolutely obsessed with, okay? This unit is really, really beautiful. I'm very happy that I was able to review this unit. I think she is absolutely positively stunning. I think that the lace is absolutely positively impeccable. I wore this for at least a week and some change. That's how much I loved it. So like, I am just going through and making sure that she is all the way together. She's 150% density. The cap is relatively big head friendly as well. The texture of the hair is like a yaki texture, so it's a little bit thicker, which I love. Really beautiful texture of the hair. I thought this unit was very well done. Like, very well done. I was actually really impressed. So for 24 inches, this unit is going for $327. I know we gasping, but for if I'm being quite honest, this was very much worth it. And I have been like reviewing units that I don't think is that great, but this one is actually worth it. So I'm just going through with my Kiss Automatics curlers, which I love, especially because I think it only cost me like $20. I'll leave the link for that in my Amazon store, and you guys can check that out if you want to purchase. But it was super easy, takes no time. She gets hot. The curls are amazing. I'm just going to go on through, get the rest of this unit together. Okay. I think I said everything I wanted to say about this hair. Let me think, child, because she is sexy and she is working hard for the money, honey. So I know she $300 and some odd dollars, but let me tell you something, baby. She's luxury. Okay. Look at me. Beat face all the way down. Okay. Just Mayweather beat. Okay. Drop the beat. All right. Are y'all picking up what I'm putting down? The long and the short of this is that I'm obsessed. Like, I'm absolutely, positively obsessed. I'm so into this hair. I love the blonde. I think it is absolutely perfect. It is colored absolutely perfectly. I cannot say that enough. I love this wig. I'm into this. Is it me? Is it me? And I almost want to give you guys another look, but I even love the way this wave turned out. I'm going to turn around because I haven't given you the back. Okay, let your girlfriend know if her tracks is showing. Let me know. Y'all see that? But do y'all see how good she looks? So, like, I'm really into this unit. I'm not even going to pretend like I'm not. I think she's absolutely positively stunning. Okay. I kind of want to do a half up, half down situation. Oh, yeah. Do y'all see where it's going? I'm going to do it really quick. Let me just find... I don't know why. I'm like the queen of losing combs. I don't know why. But I'm going to do this really quick because I just really think this is stunning. Good night. Good night. I came in and gave y'all Kitchen Beautician realness. This lace is everything anybody could ever want and desire. Look at that. Look at that. I mean, Nadula. Y'all been doing a lot of things, but y'all went out your way with this one. Absolutely, positively out your way. I'm obsessed. I'm absolutely obsessed. Hold on, let me get this piece out. There you go. I don't want nothing sticking up. Look at that. That's love, sex, and magic right there. All in one. So I gave you guys 2 styles in one. This unit is absolutely worth the price. The lace on this hair. Hold on, let me just make sure I'm not missing anything about this lace. It is absolutely positively fantastic. Okay, so again, this is the Nadula 1B27 highlight wig, okay? She was a body wave unit. We bought her all the way through, got her together. Mother is an absolute positive vibe. A vibe. I feel so Mimi Tatum good in this wig, y'all. I can't express it enough. Like, I absolutely positively can't express it enough. I think this unit is absolutely stunning. I gave her to you down. I figured I'd throw her up just to give you guys a real look at how good this Mimi Tatum lace is. It is phenomenal. It is phenomenal. And I don't know if Nadula was back there cooking in the kitchen, okay? Because they said when we come back, Miss Wilson, when we come back to Interstar, Illinois, we're going to come back kicking the throat, okay? Kick her right in the throat. That is how I'm feeling. I'm feeling like, oh, okay. The lace? The lace? Like, to me, I am just really, truly outdone. We asked for greatness. But when they produce, man, I'm like really into this. Like, I'm really into this. This unit is relatively expensive. Again, we have her in 24 inches. She's going for about $330. I'm going to say this. With a lace like this, we talk about quality units here all the time. I would have to put her on the Klarna. I would have to do the 4 payments. I would have to do it. I would have to go do something strange for a piece of change. Yes, for a wig, ho. Yes, for a wig. I heard you in the back, scarf. For a wig, okay? I would have to do it. I would have to do it. Because this, I ain't got nothing else to say. I've done all I could do. I really just truly have. This is the unit. This is top. I've done quite a few Nadula hair. I mean, quite a few. Honest to God, this is top 5. This might be top 3. I get so weird about these chunky highlights and how they're placed and everything. I'm very particular. Very particular. This is phenomenal. This lace. Girl, let me shut the hell up. I got to go to Trader Joe's, child. Let me go on ahead. Hit the Trader Joe's so I can cook my husband some Sunday dinner. I love you, Bookie. Y'all have a beautiful day, okay? Bye.